Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see, of course, what SUI is planning for us today on the 4-hour chart, where we still have our drop towards the downside here as a bear market. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is very close to be done and finished, and we're very close for a bottom here for the market, where we have a potential, of course, finished 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. But if we consider this as an extension here, and that we have a wave 3 and then wave 4 still unfinished there, it can be very likely that we're still looking for a wave 4 and a 5, meaning an extension wave 5 here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finished wave 3, and then, of course, wave 4 and a 5. You can consider it even as a W, X, and a Y here, in case we have a W, X, and a wave Y as a zigzag. But even as a zigzag, you're required here to finish and impulse toward the downside, actually. So now we have a problem, of course, within this correction here in this area. Yeah, this area is very problematic right now. And we see, of course, still further red, and we don't see a clear price action, of course, that we are finishing even that this correction. Meaning, we are in a potential 3 waves here. Let's say it is a wave A. We have a wave B, but the wave B, of course, has to be considered as the lowest one, which is, of course, a 3 waves, of course, in a W, X, and a Y again. Meaning, A, B, C, of course, for a wave B, or W, X, and a Y, wave B, and you're looking for a wave C. Now, the wave C, obviously, is very weak. And in case that this is your wave 1, you have an A, B, and a potential wave C running flat finished here as a wave 2, and you're looking for another 1, 2 right now, and then you would like to see 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside then to hit the 1-to-1 fib level. Because, of course, if you are in ABC, you did not reach yet even the high for wave A, and yeah, this is a very problematic thing here. In case we are in a W, you can consider your X over there, and not like the wave B, it's different. W, X, and a wave Y here is an A, B, and a C expanding flat. That means, of course, you still required here higher prices to push for higher in 5 waves. Now, when you take a look at those 5 waves, you can say, okay, this expanding flat has turned into a running flat, right? As an A, B, and a C here, running flat, 5 waves failing to take the high. And we're pushing downward again. You can say so, but the problem with this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 5 is longer than wave 3. Wave 3 is shorter than the wave 1, which is not allowed, right? So something is problematic again within this price action here. And we have to consider that this is a running flat in the best case scenario, and then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside still required. Otherwise, you can consider that the wave Y is something else unfolding here, meaning you have an A, W, X, and a Y internally for a wave B, C, D, and an E, and then, of course, pushing for lower there. Or I would say running triangle, for example, A, B, C, D, and an E, and then pushing for lower. Yeah, so running triangle because you took the low here. So A, B, C, D, and an E, of course, a longer wave Y here, and then dropping down for wave 5. So very complicated price here, I believe so, yes. And you cannot even yet be sure that we are going from now toward the downside, because this is looking 3 ways, this is looking 3 ways. Nothing, of course, is impulsive downward. Therefore, of course, very tricky price right now, and be careful, of course, with the crypto market. It's showing this pattern everywhere. Now, the final scenario, if we are bottomed here and we see a V shape, which I doubt it should be a better V shape than this. Let's say this is a 1-2, a very complicated 1-2. I doubt it again. And you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So the things are very complicated here. I would say the closest scenarios that you might have as probability, the highest one can be the triangle wave Y here. That it goes, of course, into something very complex. Yeah, so because it is already complex, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, and a E, then dropping down, of course. Or the closest one can be something impulsive as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave A, B, and a C. There is no other explanation. Now, this wave C is at the same time also a potential expanding flat, wave C as well, A, B, and a C for the W, X, and a Y. Yeah? W, X, and a Y. So, in any case scenario, by all means, I'm still looking for higher or for sideways. There is no drop down really for a new low yet, I would say. One of these scenarios right now, we are of course in a creepy price action a little bit. So whether we push for higher, we drop down, or whether we push sideways and then we drop down. So this is regarding SUI, guys. This is what I see for SUI right now. If we take a look also at KGT, so for SUI on KGT 1 minute time frame, we can see we have a bullish signal here after the bearish, of course, dropping down here. We start to see a bullish signal from there. And we see, of course, yeah, I mean, not yet, of course, a clear divergence, but yeah, the bullish signal is there, meaning, of course, we can push for lower. It doesn't mean that we can push directly higher. It can be one more low here before pushing for higher. And also I see the same on the 3 minute time frame, that we have a bullish signal as well. It doesn't mean that you cannot take the low there and transitioning this bullish signal, of course, to there and then pushing for higher. Why? Because I need to finish A, B, and a C towards the downside. One more drop here before we push for higher. Yep, so this is regarding SUI. By all means, of course, even KGT suggests that something is still pushing for higher or in sideways, guys. So be careful with SUI again. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.